Well, there you have it. The celebrations have clearly begun, not only here in Hyderabad, but I'm sure in Chennai as well. Absolutely amazing time for the Chennai Rhinos. A little disappointment for the Karnataka Bulldozers, but I'm sure they'll come back next year with a real bang.
Well, that's the most unfortunate part about the final, that one team has to lose. Obviously, Karnataka Bulldozers on the receiving end today, but I think they've done themselves and the entire industry very, very proud the way they've performed in this league.
Yes, it really has been a huge moment for the Chennai Rhinos. Such a great achievement, and I'm sure next year they're looking to hold on to that title as well.
Well, that may not be too easy because they've got
The worst, I can't even catch a ball, let's just say that. So when they choose their team, I'm always the last person to be chosen, unfortunately.
And what's keeping you busy these days? What's in your kitty as far as the movies are concerned?
I'm working in Tamil, I'm working in Kannada and in Telugu now, so it's really difficult to see which team that I'll be supporting, but again I'll be supporting all the teams. Like I said, they've been working really, really hard, so let the best team win.
Well, it was wonderful talking to you, and wish you all the best for the future. Over to you with the commentary box.
Please start your activity. All right, let's see it. Increase 19 numbers for the Chennai Rhinos. Keep your shot on that. Right now, this one.